Welcome. To get started with Bitwarden on Android, search the Play Store for Bitwarden or go to get.bitwarden.com. Once you have downloaded Bitwarden, enter your email address and master password. This tutorial assumes initial setup has already been completed at vault.bitwarden.com. Welcome to your vault. Here is your secure information, logins, cards, identities, secure notes, folders for personal items, and collections for shared organization items. Let's add a new login. Press the plus button. On first install, a dialog for Bitwarden Android autofill service will pop up, but we'll come back to this in a moment. To add a login you know, type in the website, username, password. You can choose a folder. Also add the URI. Save and you're done. To add a login while registering a new site, this requires the autofill features, so let's go to settings. We want to enable both options, so let's enable autofill service first. Click Open Autofill Settings, choose Bitwarden. Next, we'll enable the Autofill Accessibility Service. Open it, click on Bitwarden, set Bitwarden to On. Next, click Open Overlay Permission Setting, set Bitwarden to On. Now we are fully enabled. Now that autofill is enabled, let's try a new login at stackoverflow.com. Click Sign Up. In the email field, click Autofill with Bitwarden, click Add an Item, enter a username, click the password generator key, pick a password you like. You can change the length, capital letters, lowercase, numbers, special characters. Once you find the one you like, press Select on the top right, save the login, choose stackoverflow.com, adjust your display name, complete the CAPTCHA, sign up. Congratulations, you just logged your first new site to Bitwarden. Let's try a login from an existing app such as Dropbox from our vault. First Bitwarden recommendation is the tutorial at bitwarden.com. These both look good, so click it. Autofill with Bitwarden coming next. Sign in. Now we can see our content. With two-step login already enabled, let's log into Reddit. Bitwarden has built-in authentication codes for two-step login. Choose Autofill with Bitwarden to automatically copy the authentication code. Choose the matching item, press Continue. Bitwarden copies your 6-digit code, so just paste the code, and you are in. Please note that storing two-step login codes in Bitwarden is a premium feature. To use biometrics, please ensure they are already enabled on your Android device. Then, go to Settings in Bitwarden. In this example, choose Unlock with Fingerprint. Newer Androids include Face Unlock. We also have a PIN code option. Verify your fingerprint, and you're done. Congratulations, you've mastered the basics of the Bitwarden Android app.